So I've heard quite a few people recently have had problems with their rear screen wash. They've been pushing the button inside, they can hear the motor running, but nothing's coming out. And then when they check their front washers, they're working perfectly fine. So they know that the pump's working and they know they've got washer fluid in the reservoir. So apparently, by all accounts, what happens is the hose comes disconnected somewhere up this front end. So the rear washer hose actually makes its way into the car here. So this is the hose, and as you follow it around, you come back around the side of the fuse box and there's a connection there. So you could always check it there to see if it's come away. I'm guessing it's going to be quite evident because there's going to be a load of washer fluid all over the place. And then when you follow it back down from there, basically what it does, it just drops down and goes down to the reservoir down below. For me, knowing where it is, down the front, right at the very bottom, all the way down, there's no way I'm going to be able to get my arm down there to get the hose and plug it back on. So I thought today what I'd do is just show you right behind the bumper so that you can see for yourself exactly where it is. So with the bumper removed, what you can see is your washer reservoir bottle right here. Obviously we've got the pump, we've got the front hose, and then we've got the back hose. So just up from where I put my hand down a minute ago, just up by the filler neck up here, as it comes down, it just comes straight down, there's no joins in it, and it just literally plugs onto the pump here. So if you've been trying to use your rear squirter and nothing's coming out, but you can hear the motor going, have a quick check up front, have a look around, see if anything's wet, see if there's any drops on the floor or anything like that. And if there is, just check them hose pipe connections, have a feel down, and if you need to, you might be able to get your hand down. If not, probably just taking off this little panel here should allow you to get your hand back up, just have a feel and get that plug back on there. So just a real quick one for today, but hopefully that's been useful to someone. If you've liked it, give us a like down below. If you haven't done so already, remember to hit subscribe coming up here now. Like I always say, more likes, more subscribers means more videos. So thanks very much, really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.